Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your eyes? Where's your tongue? Where's your teeth? Where's your mouth? Where's your hair? Where's your eyebrow? Eyebrow. Where's your head? Where's your elbow? Elbow. Where's your shoulder? Shoulder.
What?
Where's your neck? Where's your tummy? Tummy. You know, walang tummy ni Tikol. Where's your... Where's your lubot? Where's your lubot? Asa na? Nawala. Asa? Asa yung lubot? Nawala lagi Tikol. Nawala yung lubot. Ay, Where's your...
Pipit.
Where's your...
Pipit.
Where's your ilok? Ika pang ilok. Touch your ilok. Ah, giti. Where's your hands? Where's your fingers? Fingers.